Well, record low interest rates, a struggling resource sector and falling rent prices. It's the state of the Perth economy. And many people are now questioning where to put their money. 9 News spoke with financial experts to ask where you'll get more bang for your buck.
Interest rates are down, the property market isn't growing very much, and the share market of late has taken quite a tumble as well.
That's the reality of our economy. But it's not all doom and gloom. It can often be a good time to invest if you're thinking long term.
I think that there's a good golden rule to be following at this time, and that's the old Jerry Maguire, show me the money, show me the income that the underlying assets can generate.
Brad Scally from Boutique Advisors says investors should be focusing on yields.
Banks, financial institutions, boring is beautiful in a market like this.
Whether that's property with a good rental return or shares that provide a good dividend.
The value has come back into the markets again, and we're seeing yields on some blue chip Australian companies above 5%. Which hasn't been there for a while.
His top tips are to focus on yield.
Make sure that it's a good income generator.
Diversify your assets.
Keep your assets spread across different sectors, international shares, Australian shares, property, fixed interest.
And favour liquid assets.
Particularly if you're dependent on those investments for your retirement lifestyle, you want to make sure that you've got some cash reserves there to get you through the tough times.
He doesn't recommend property. The median house price remained steady last month at $547,000, but the rental market has slipped. Experts say, fortunately, interest rates are dropping too. On average last month, the rental price fell by about $10 per week. In some areas, it was as much as $25 per week. Experts say those rental yields are unlikely to improve this year. If you do want to invest in property, the advice is to look at areas with development potential.
Certainly some spots through Bibra Lake and through Belmont also, and some other locations. That's the thing, look for something where the rezoning is likely to add value to the property.
He says other suburbs to watch include Forestfield, High Wycombe, Queen's Park, South Lake and North Lake. Interest rates are at record lows, with some banks offering fixed rates at 3.99%.
For an investor, if you particularly think you're going to hold on to it long term, a great way to lock in your cash flow. You know exactly what payments you're going to have over the next few years.
Experts say it's important to always seek your own financial advice. Scott Cunningham, 9 News.